Yeah, I know. Don't mind me. Just really hard. Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back. It's a makeup tutorial with products you might actually have. Yay, I know makeup can be overwhelming, so I thought I might make this tutorial to give some basic guidelines out. Okay then, yeah, let's just get started, I guess. So first, we're gonna pull out our primer, which can just be a moisturizer or a tinted moisturizer, doesn't matter. This is usually done to help prime the skin, and then we're gonna get a color corrector. There are various different types of color correctors you can use, and they're used first under concealer to make sure that it corrects the color of your skin and hides certain imperfections, because concealer doesn't do everything. I use a red lipstick because my skin is darker and it's not as pale. If you're wondering, here is a chart for the color you should use depending on thing. If you have darker skin, use darker colors. Now let's move on to some concealer. Casual under the eyes because that's what it was made for. And then we're also going to apply the concealer under our T-zone. Well, on our T-zone. If you're wondering, this is what the T-zone looks like. Yes, I know. It's not that complicated. It's literally your nose and then your forehead. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now we just blend. And this can take a while. If it takes a while, that's good. 1 minute. Okay, I'm alive, don't worry. That was just me coughing because I'm too lazy to edit this. But let's go. Concealer is done, and now on to foundation. I'm using Revlon Color Stay for my foundation. I think the color is number 36, medium beige, and my concealer is number 2 from Maybelline New York. Once we've done this, we're going to blend, and then we're going to move on to contour. This is a Sports Girl contour I got on sale for $3. It's a cream. So remember, we're going to put the creams before the powders because otherwise it's going to get all clumpy. But anyway, let's conceal just our cheekbones. You can conceal your nose or your forehead or your chin. As you can see, I chose to do my nose today, although I don't really like to because I'm not very good at nose contour. Anyway, let's just keep going. So then now we have to blend, and this can take a long time, and it can get a bit out of control. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Don't mind me. Just really hard. Yeah. Anyway, blended the contour. And now we're going to move on to a setting powder because powders are vital to your routine. I'm using a Numitrix one. It's my mum's. I don't know why I used it. Don't use sponges for powders. They don't work. Use brushes for powders. This is a Revlon brush. It was $20 and it's a powder. It's literally called powder. There's no number to it. Very strange, I know. Powder up your face and move on to highlighter. This is the BYS highlighter palette thing. Yeah, it's very new, but I quite like it. So we're going to start off by using, I believe it's called Princess. Give me 1 second here. Yep, it's called Princess, and we're going to highlight right above our on our cheekbones and on our nose using a small dome brush. This was from Chi. It's the 112 and it is a dome brush. We're going to highlight our nose, our cupid's bow, and our eyebrows because that's where you highlight apparently. I don't know. I'm purely guessing. That's what makeup is. And we're going to blend it off with the same powder brush just to make sure nothing's too intense. And now we're doing our eyebrows. I brushed my eyebrows through with the plastic part and then going to use the fluffier part to give them a little shaping at the end, and then I'm going to fill them in. I don't use brow pencils because I can't find one dark enough. I use eyeliner pencils, and also I'm really cheap. And we're just going to fill them in all the lighter parts of our brow. Then we're going to put some concealer on our lids because we're moving on to eyes. You can shape your eyebrows, but I'm not very good at shaping with concealer, so I don't do it. But just prime your lids with some concealer. And now I'm pulling out my Not Just Nudes palette, and we're going to get a dome brush and dip into the second medium brown, you get it. And we're going to put it on our V, the outer V. Yep, there is a chart on screen now that you can reference this to. I put it there so, you can I don't know, reference yourself. I don't know. But you may place this in your outer V and try and keep it a soft, kind of wing. Well, you don't have to use tape, but then what you're going to do is grab the 114 angled brush and blend it into the rest of your lid. Grab some more concealer and put it in your tear duct to your lid and blend. And then once you've done that, grab the same highlighter palette. This is what I love about highlighters. You can use them multiple parts of your face, and we're going to put it into Dream with a dome brush, and we're going to place it where we placed the concealer, which was from our tear duct to about the middle of our lid, and we're going to put it on, and then we're going to blend it through, and we're going to grab a little bit of chocolate and we're going to dip it in, and then we're going to blend it through in the middle where the like light part meets dark part, just to give it a nice shine, and blend, because if you don't blend you look like a monster, believe me, I know. Oh, and now finally we're going to finish off with some mascara. This is Definer Lash by Maybelline New York. It is just a basic drugstore mascara. All this product is just drugstore, so don't worry. And now we're going to use Calendar Girl by Chi Chi. It's a liquid lipstick, and I just like to have a little bit of color, so I'm not going to go full on applying with lip liners. Yep, don't mind me. I'm not very good at applying lipsticks, yeah. And then after this, we're going to finish everything up with a Q-tip dipped in micellar water, just to clean up things like eyeshadow and lipstick and brows. And once we've done that, we're going to go to the narcissistic tutorial in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. I was a bit off, but here's the finished look. I'll see you guys next week. I'm very tired. Goodbye.